Aloha, happy Monday morning. I hope all of you are doing well. I have not been live for a while. I was in a little bit of a stuck situation. I was stuck, but in stories. I had so much that I was intaking, so much that I was learning, so many things that were happening, but I was stuck in the thinking, not the doing. And the thinking has no action in reality, right? So the thinking is not real. It's the doing that's real. So here I'm live. Happy Monday. And I want to talk about our superpowers, our time. The work that I do now is transformation. And I'm standing now in a new possibility. I'm standing in the possibility of you creating whatever you want in your life. And it has to do with regret and recall, right? So I have been living in this myth of time, that there's not enough time. So my act, hello Scott, my act has been that I'm busy. I'm too busy to do so many things. I realize now that the story or the act of being busy was to avoid the failure of not living fully, not living big. And so I said, okay, well, I've got a lot of stuff going on, and everybody agrees with me. So when I say I've got a lot going on, they're like, yeah, you have a lot going on. And so it gives me the forgiveness to not actually do the thing or commit 100% to anything because I'm doing 100 things. And by allowing myself to live small and live in the busy, I did not allow myself to succeed and live in the success, in the living 100%. Hi, Gloria. Happy Monday. So I want to reframe regret for people, because the definition of regret is to recall something with suffering, with longing. But if we, instead of regret, we re-greet something with joy or with compassion or with celebration, then it's not regret, it's re-greeting. So how can we live into time and say we have so much time, and we expand time to be perfect in the moment? Scott, I got to see you yesterday, and it was perfect in that moment because both of us were completely 100% present for that moment, and the time expanded. And I was not too busy to see you, to do my previous commitment. So transformation work is about reframing and re-greeting things with joy. So I am inviting all of you, because it's in connection for me that transformation happens. So I invite all of you to connect with me. If you want to see some of the work that I'm learning from, one call is happening tomorrow night, Tuesday night at 7 p.m. Pacific. So call me or connect with me if you want to learn more about some of the work that I'm learning from. I don't want to hoard information, but I really invite you to connect with me so that we can re-greet ourselves as friends, expand time, figure out whatever we want to do that's possible. So happy Monday, re-greet your week. I will check back in with you at the end of the week to see what you have re-greeted and not regretted. And if I can help in any way, please connect with me. I'll look forward to so many more connections. I love you. Aloha. Have a great week.